Alright, let's try something a little different. Pick a card, any card. Take a look at it and remember it. Great, now your card goes right here on top of the deck. And if I give the cards just a cut, it gets lost somewhere inside. Here's the crazy part. When I snap my fingers, your card should actually flip over in the middle of the deck. Watch. Let's take a look. Wait, that's not your card. It's just a 5. But in Magic, nothing happens for no reason. The number 5 must mean something. Let's try this. I'll count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card is your selection. But here's the real kicker. These 4 cards I just counted are the 4 aces. Let's break it down. Before we start with the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It means a lot and really helps. This trick looks impossible, but it is actually super simple. All you need is a small setup at the bottom of the deck. Here's how it works. You place the 4 aces on the very bottom. On top of those aces, you place any random 5 flipped face up. And then the rest of the deck stays normal. That's all the setup you need. 4 aces on the bottom and a 5 flipped face up. To start the trick, you ask the spectator to pick any card. Just don't flash the setup. Tell them to remember their card and place their card on top of the deck. Then ask the spectator to cut the deck once. This brings our setup on top of the chosen card. After the cut, you are pretty much done. Just tell the spectator that when you snap, their card will turn face up and snap. When you snap and spread the cards, the spectator expects their card to be face up, but instead they see the 5. That's your misdirection moment. You then tell them that the 5 must have a meaning and count down 5 cards. And the 5th card will always be their card. And the best part is that the 4 cards you counted down before, those turn out to be the 4 aces. The perfect kicker ending. And that's it for this trick. It is easy, requires no sleight of hand, and it has a strong ending that surprises people. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Magic content, and drop a comment telling me what card trick you want to see next. I really appreciate all the support, and I will see you in the next video.